Hi, 5th grade students. Welcome back to another day of reviewing Module 3. We are on week of 518, day 4, which is Thursday, and we are working on NBT 7, Addition and Subtraction Review. We're really going to be working on setting up our standard algorithms today. So, find the difference, show your work below. Remember, difference means subtraction. Even though it shows you that, you should still be making sure that you're using the correct vocabulary. So we have 4 minus 3 and 25 hundredths. So the biggest thing here is we set it up correctly. My whole number 4 lined up with my whole number 3 and 2, 5. So just like any other number, I can add a decimal and 0 place value holders after the whole number because it does not change the value. You have to be really careful that you're doing that correctly because you cannot change the value if you add in those whole numbers or those zeros as a place value holder. Okay. I cannot take 5 from 0, and I can't come here, so I'm going to come over here. That 4 becomes a 3, this 0 becomes a 10, and now it's a 9, and then that 0 becomes a 10. So I have 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. I bring my decimal point straight down in a subtraction problem, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So my final answer is 75 hundredths. Make sure that when you're doing this, you're doing it nice and neat and remembering to regroup or borrow, and you're aligning your decimals up correctly. Okay, number 2, find the sum. Show your work below. So remember, in not multiplication, but addition and subtraction, we always have to line up our decimals. So we are going to go 18 and 62 hundredths plus 12 and 9 tenths. Once again, if I would like to add my 0 at the end of my decimal, I can as a place value holder just to make it line up nicely for myself. I don't have to, but please remember to make sure that you're lining them up correctly. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 6 is 15, carry my 1. That decimal point comes straight down every time. 8 plus 1 is 11. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So my final answer is 31 and 52 hundredths. Okay. Number 3 says use the number line to solve your problem. 1 point for correct response, 1 point for using the number line correctly. Okay. I don't care so much about the 1 point and 1 point, but we can do this both ways. I'm actually going to show you both ways because I don't think you necessarily just need to use your number line. But what I would do here is it appears that, I'm not sure if these dots on the top are, but I could do 0. No, I made a mistake already. Okay. I can do 0 here, and that would be where my decimal is. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to do that, I would go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I would bring my decimal point, and it would be 1.2. I honestly prefer just to do it like this, guys. They're all lined up neatly. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 5 is 12. Bring down my 0, or my decimal point, and that's 1 and 2 tenths. And that's where we're done today. Only 3 problems today. If you don't want to do the number line, you don't have to. To me, if you have mastered the standard algorithm like this, then you are good. And I know most of us did that in class. So if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact your teacher or any other teacher in 5th grade and participate in those Zoom office hours. We are here to help. Miss you guys. Bye.